Would you get into the water knowing that there's 18 sharks swimming close by? If you would or if you wouldn't, comment down below. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. Are you ready to see some more sharks? Because I know I was. My sister Ashley and I decided to go cageless shark diving with Ocean One's Diving in Oahu, Hawaii. A local actually told me Hawaii is pronounced Hawaii. If you're looking to go cageless shark diving but have no idea what to expect or want to know a few tips on how to make your experience 10 times better, I strongly recommend you watch it because I have a few tips that I wish I would have known before actually going. Full disclosure, these tips are not only for the shark diving experience, but for that perfect IG pic or video clip. How do you equalize while snorkeling? Basically what you do is you plug your nose and lightly try to blow some air through it. Let me show you how I actually failed at that. Since I didn't equalize, the pressure of going down hurt my ears, which also made me want to come up faster. Snorkel experience is highly recommended but not necessary. If you are able to practice beforehand, I would strongly suggest it. My only personal experience snorkeling beforehand was snorkeling at Hanama Bay, and that actually didn't even include us diving down. So what do you do if you don't have a pool? One, you can check to see if there's a public pool in your area, or two, just ask a friend and see if you can go swim in theirs. I know I can't stress this one enough. Learn what a dolphin kick is and practice. When Ashley left the boat, she was behind me. She was able to catch up to me quickly and surpass me by using the dolphin kick technique, also known as a mermaid swim. If you look at me, my knees are coming up towards my waist and I'm not getting very far. Did you see how graceful Ashley's swimming is compared to mine? I literally thought I was a decent swimmer until I saw these videos of me. Let's look back at it again just in case you missed it. When I start to dive down, I'm kicking by alternating my legs and moving my arms too much. It makes it very difficult to control my breathing, in which I blow out too much air too fast, as you can see with the air bubbles coming out when I come up. On the other hand, Ashley pulls once, and by using the dolphin kick, it reduces the movements of her arms. Meanwhile, attempting to equalize, she's able to control her breathing. Notice how her bubbles are so much smaller. She's able to stay down longer because she didn't release all her air out at once. I knew if I was going to be swimming with sharks, I wanted that perfect picture or video clip. I didn't want to take away from either one of our experiences by having that added pressure of capturing everything. So we decided to get the photo and video package, and I would definitely do it again because they capture some amazing pictures. What's that saying? If you didn't post it, did it really happen? If you want to see more adventures, follow me at Annie Marisol Adventures. I'll link it down below. Although I didn't have these tips during my experience, Blake was able to get amazing shots regardless of the skill set. But the tips in the video are for you to get better pictures and footage. If this isn't a priority or you just want to go for the experience, only basic swimming ability is required. Trust me, the experience of just getting in the water without a cage, knowing that there are sharks, is something I would want to cross off my bucket list. As you can see, Ashley's pictures are 10 times better, but it's because she knew how to snorkel and knew how to do the dolphin kick. So again, those two things are highly recommended. But to be completely honest with you, I walked away with so much more. Not only did one ocean diving provide me with an excellent experience, but they really taught me why it's important for us to care for sharks. I wanted to end this with two things that stood out to me. If they were to ask for donations for dolphins, most people would be willing to donate. If they were to ask for donations for sharks, most people would not donate. The second thing that stood out to me is that 70 to 100 million sharks are killed every year for shark fin soup. Isn't that crazy? Well guys, I hope some of these tips help you on your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and add alerts. Until next time, bye!